Guys, I may have found the perfect robot vacuum for your pool. This is the Aiper Scuba V3. And the cool thing about it is, this one is packed with AI features, solid battery life, a strong suction, and a price that kind of actually makes sense. But the question is, does it really live up to the hype? Don't take my word for it. Let me show you, and let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I break down all things DIY projects, and I test out cool tools and gadgets like this one here, so you guys don't have to waste your time or your money. So today I'm going to be checking out the Aiper Scuba V3, another one of Aiper's awesome robots in their lineup. And if you guys are shopping around, I've already tested out the Scuba X1 and the X1 Pro Max. So I'll throw those up in the video here or in the description so you guys can check those out if you want to compare. As usual, everything that I use in this video will be left in the links in the description. And we're going to break down the video into several sections. We're going to go over a quick unboxing, and then we're going to go over the features, the cleaning performance, the app features, the actual cleaning of the filter basket, and to top it off, we're going to go over the pros and cons. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. When Aiper sent this thing to me, I was really excited and I couldn't wait to tear this thing open. And of course, with all things Aiper, you guys pretty much know what you're going to get in the box. Everything came packaged neatly, and we got all the usual stuff: the manuals, a retrieval hook, a power adapter, the charging dock for the V3, and of course the Scuba V3 itself. If you've ever received one of these robots before, you guys know nothing complicated here, pretty straightforward. All right, so let's go ahead and see what this thing is working with. It's got huge rubber wheels, two, one in the front, one in the back, and a pump that's pushing out approximately 4,800 gallons per hour of suction. So you know already, this thing is not messing around. You're gonna have a top load filter here that you can just remove, which is great for picking up things like sand, dust, and even algae. The coverage of the V3 is rated for about 1,600 square feet, so it's going to handle most residential pools. Charging of this thing is going to take approximately 5 hours, and with that you're going to get about 180 minutes of runtime, or up to 210 minutes in the eco mode. And one thing that I really like about this is that this thing is only about 18.5 pounds. You can see how easy it is that I lift it up here. Unlike some of these other robots out there, they can get pretty heavy. So at 18 pounds, I can lift this with one hand, no problem. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the cleaning performance. Now, using the Aiper, like all their other products, is super simple. All you gotta do is power it on using the power button on the front, and you can select the modes from here. Go ahead, drop it in, and from there, it starts working immediately. You're gonna get this thing, it's gonna start cleaning the walls, the floor, the water line, and it uses something that they call the Jet Assist technology, which is going to have this thing move in a horizontal pattern all the way across your water line, which is going to help break up the grime that usually sticks to the walls. And then you got the AI debris detection. So now, instead of randomly moving around like some of these other robots out here, the V3 actually scans and it's going to target dirty areas. So the navigation is smart, it avoids obstacles, and it doesn't get stuck easily. And it even was able to climb my steps. A lot of robots sometimes struggle with this, but the V3, because it's so small and nimble, was able to climb the steps no problem. And when it was done, roll back into the pool and just continued cleaning. You want to hear a cool feature that this thing has? On the front of it, it actually has lights, which means that this thing can run at night and still utilize the debris detection no problem. And once it's done cleaning, it's going to do it like most of the new Aiper robots. It's going to float up to the surface for easy retrieval, and it's going to send you a notification. So you're not really guessing. It's going to tell you, hey, come pick me up. And if you don't, it's just going to go back down to the floor, close to the edge, where you can go in there and grab it with the provided hook and just pull it right out. Now, the app is where things get even better. If you guys have used Aiper before, then you guys already know how simple and easy it is to use with app control. Now, once you've connected your Aiper V3 to your app, it's going to go through its regular updates and do all that firmware updates and fancy stuff. But once you're done and it's connected, you're going to be able to choose your cleaning modes, set your schedules, monitor the status. But to be honest, the standout feature is AI Navium, which basically means the V3 is going to learn your pool and it's going to be able to create a custom cleaning schedule for you so that you guys can literally drop this thing in the pool and it's going to go ahead and clean your pool for the entire week. Yes, you heard me right. 1 week, one single charge. Now, this is the kind of hands-off experience that most DIYers are really looking for, and I can't say enough about it. Using it and testing it is amazing. Having the flexibility to just drop this in once a week, have it run, maintain your pool, and keep it clean is the type of thing that sets it apart from a lot of the other competition and even its previous models. And like all things Aiper, cleaning it is easy. Once you have it out of the pool, you want to go ahead and pop open the top and pull out the filter basket. And this is always my favorite part. It picked up everything inside the filter basket, and as you can see in here, it's pretty nasty. And cleaning it is even easier, as always. All you got to do is clean out the filter with a hose. Now, this one separates into 2 sections. It has the ultra-fine mesh, so you can take that apart and rinse it out. And it has a regular filter basket that the mesh sits in. So you rinse out the basket, clean up the mesh, put it all back together. And once you're done cleaning it, the best thing is, all you got to do is slap it back inside the V3, store it on the charger, and it'll be ready and fully charged for the next time you guys are ready for this thing to clean. All right, so it's time for the fun part and the part that you guys are all here for. Let's talk about the pros and the cons. So first off, we're going to talk about the suction power. 48 gallons per hour of it. It's going to be able to handle your leaves, sand, fine debris, even algae as well. Of course, you're going to have full pool coverage. It's going to be able to cover your floors, your walls, your water line, and even your steps. Third up, we're going to have long battery life. 3+ hours is great. It's lightweight, like I showed you, 18 pounds. You can pick this thing up and move it around. It's got smart features built in, which is going to include AI navigation, the app control, which is going to have your scheduling, and your AI Navam features, which is amazing. And of course, it's going to be super easy to maintain. Easy to clean, filter basket is easily accessible, rinse this thing off, it's great. It has huge rubber wheels, and it also has night vision, or I should actually say headlights. So it's going to be able to use the AI technology at night as well. Now, of course, we can't talk about the pros and not talk about the cons. First up, we're going to talk about the charging time. Typically, it takes around 5 hours to charge this thing fully. It's a little bit on the longer side. I also talked about the app features being pro, but there's also kind of like a con to it. You have to be able to use the app to get the full functionality of this thing. And also, like most robots, one of the biggest cons is it doesn't have communication between the surface and when it's cleaning. But Aiper, of course, has the Hydrocom Pro, which kind of bridges that gap. But once you have this thing cleaning, there's no way to kind of change the schedule or change the features. Once it's in the water, it's going to clean until it's done or until you disrupt it and grab it out. And the final con for me is the price. It might be a little bit too high for the casual pool owners, but to be honest, you're paying for the tech. With all the AI tech built into this thing, the price actually might be fair. A good way to validate the price is, I don't know if you guys have seen my other video, but Aiper sells this in a combo called the Aiper Experts Duo, which comes with a skimmer. So if you're worried about the price, it may justify you to go ahead and get the combo because you'll be able to get 2 cleaning robots, one to do the surface and one to do your entire pool. So who's this actually good for? Now, if you guys are someone who's tired of manually vacuuming your pool, or you're looking to upgrade from one of the older robots or the older Aiper robots, and your robot is kind of one of those that just wander around aimlessly, then the Aiper V3 is going to be a serious upgrade. It's smart, it's powerful, and to be honest, it actually saves you time, which pretty much is the whole point of buying a robot in the first place. Now, is it perfect? No, but it gets a lot more right than it does get wrong. Now, if you guys want something that you can just go ahead, drop in the water, set it and forget it, then you probably might want to consider this. And if you do consider it, I'm going to leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. If you have any comments, leave them down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to think and say about this. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.